Okay, very good. Well, that's good to make those QSOs on the air, and nice that you're able to give them an extra contact over simplex. That always helps. So anyway, I'm back to recording again. I'll just have to toggle the my microphone on and off. Just the way the OBS software works and set up, it's a bit of a pain unless I'm operating, through another connection and not on this computer. Anyway, it's kind of hard to explain, but anyway, that's what we're doing. So I'm recording my voice now, and then when it comes back to you, then I'll mute my microphone so that I can just hear you. V3VCG, V3PCP.
VE3PCP. Well, the story I just told then, I will tell again for the benefit of your recording, was when I was in Barrie. I had reprogrammed my radio and I put in the Barrie Amateur Radio Club repeater. I've had trouble with getting the repeaters that I had programmed into the radio to operate while I was in Barrie. I didn't know why, but anyway, the two that I had in didn't seem to respond for reasons that I don't know. I have to do some investigating. Anyway, I put in the Barrie Amateur Radio Club repeater and was able to successfully make a nice contact on that repeater with a young fellow named Taylor, who was operating during a Parks on the Air activation with his uncle Brian, and Uncle Brian is the president of the Barrie Amateur Radio Club. So we had and we were able to shift over from the repeater to simplex and make the contact official. And then I was able to also talk to another ham that I know, VE3, let's see, what is his call sign? VE3QT. That's Ian Snow, who's very big into developing a Canada-wide WinLink tri-mode repeater network. Anyway, that's pretty much it. I hope you got enough. Vacuum.